How to fix camera distortion on Poco N8. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so phone restart phone, click power button and volume up button at the time. You will see. If you want to restart phone, you will see. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on additional settings. Scroll down and click on developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search software update. You will see media DRM settings. So make sure update your software. After update software, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can camera destruction on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.